A very warm welcome to KSGIndia.com. Hughes India selected for satellite broadband. The government has selected Hughes Communications India to connect 5,000 village panchayats in border and Naxal-affected states as well as in island territories with satellite broadband under BharatNet project by March 2021. The 5,000 Gram Panchayats are located in northeastern states including Manipur, Meghalaya, Tripura, Mizoram, Arunachal Pradesh and the Galvan Valley in eastern Ladakh as well as in Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep that lack terrestrial connectivity such as fiber or cable, Hughes said in a statement on October 13, 2020. The BharatNet network being created by Bharat Broadband Nigam Limited (BBNL) is to provide affordable high-speed broadband access to rural citizens and institutions of all the Gram Panchayats of the country. Hughes is communicated to the government's vision of enabling digital India, and we are excited about our partnership with TCIL and BBNL as a part of BharatNet to bring high-speed connectivity to the remote Gram Panchayats, Hughes India president said. Under the agreement, Hughes India will enable internet service for each Gram Panchayat using capacity from ISRO's GSAT-19 and GSAT-11 satellites with the Hughes Jupiter system, the de facto standard for satellite broadband implementations in use on more than 40 satellites worldwide. The government aims to connect all 2.5 lakh village panchayats in the country with high-speed broadband services by August 2021. The completion is expected by March 2021. We have delivered 90% of the sites as on date and commissioned 50%, Hughes said. Hughes India will provide solar-powered user terminals and network operations, install the equipment at each site, and manage to service to deliver speeds up to 10 megabyte per minute under the deal, and manage the service to deliver speeds up to 10 megabit per second under the deal. Hughes India is a majority-owned subsidiary of Hughes Network Systems LLC, the leading global provider of broadband satellite networks and services. Hughes India is the largest satellite service operator in India, providing a comprehensive range of broadband networking technologies, solutions and services for businesses and governments, including managed services to meet every communications challenge. For more than 2 decades, Hughes has been making progress in efforts to connect people, businesses and communities, bridging the digital divide and contributing to disaster preparedness and recovery. So ladies and gentlemen, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching KSGIndia.com. Stay tuned for more informative and updated videos.